Hi, today's video is about the difference between copywriting and content writing. After watching this video, you will have a clear understanding about the difference between copywriting and content writing. So, let's get into the presentation. What is the difference between copywriting and content writing? Let's have a look. Now, when it comes to content writing, the content writing is mainly focusing on presenting facts. That means presenting information in a formal manner. When it comes to content writing, the content writing can be multiple purpose. It might have many objectives, like kind of informing some facts and presenting some graphs, presenting some data and graphics, so and so. Also, when it comes to content writing, the content writing targets a group of people, for example, students. So if you take a textbook and read, you can see a very good example for content writing. So that textbook is targeting a group of people who are students. In most cases, this uses formal writing tactics. It can be a thesis, a report, or textbook. In some cases, if you take a personal blog, for example, that is a formal of informal writing where you can use content writing to educate people. Also, the flow can be random. That means first you can present some facts, then you can present them another information, and then you can present some data. Either way, content writing will work. But what is the difference between content and copy? So for that, we will have a look at what copywriting is about. Now, as you can see, copywriting, the primary intention is to make a sale. Now, when it comes to content writing, you don't have that kind of an intention. When you are writing copy, you have to use persuasive language. That means well organized flow to make the reader to do what you want them to do. The only purpose is getting a sale. When it comes to copywriting, the only intention is to getting a sale. It might be now or it might be in a future date. Now, when it comes to copywriting, here you will find that strategically you will redirect the attention of the reader in a logical manner to the call to action. Now, if you can't see this in content writing because content writing is not persuasive. Also, here's an important fact: copywriting is one-to-one communication. Now, you might not agree with me. Let me explain to you. At a given time, your copy is read by one person. True that it can be read by thousands of people, but one human being is reading your copy. So you have to make that one-on-one connection if you want to sell more and more of your products. So don't ever write to a group, right? Target that individual person who is reading your message and then target his or her emotions. That is very important. Now, I know what you are thinking. How to have a balance between content writing and copywriting. So this depends on your intention, mainly depends on your intention. It can be a selling intention or it can be an educational intention. So if you want to, first you have to identify what is your intention and then choose the writing style. That would be better. Also, the product or service that you are trying to market. If you want to use kind of an awareness kind of campaign, then you can use content writing. If it is more focused on selling, you can use copywriting. And the other fact is the audience. If your audience is kind of students or maybe the people who are learning, then you can use formal writing. But if you are targeting a customer, obviously you need to use copywriting because You don't, because your objective is to make the sale, right? Now, the golden rule is to have a balance between content writing and copywriting, because the content writing is mostly used to educate while copywriting is used to persuade. If you understand the difference between copywriting and content writing, you will know the golden ratio that you have to use in order to market your product or service.
Click the subscribe button now. Also click the bell icon to enable notifications. That way, you'll be the first to know when I release a new video.